I am Darth Vader, Lord of the Sith and Master Chocolatier. Welcome to my chocolate factory, where the dark side is deliciously sweet. I sense great hunger in you all. Good. Let it guide you through the tour. Our first stop is the Hoth Chocolate River, flowing with creamy goodness. Yes, you may taste it. But be warned, the current is strong with this one. Moving on, we approach the everlasting Gobstopper Saber Room. Its flavor is most impressive. A single lick can last a lifetime. Here we have the Carbonite Casting Room, where we freeze our finest creations. Observe as we preserve this Millennium Fudge on in perfect hibernation. Now, witness the power of this fully operational fudge star. One blessed from this confectionery marvel can sweeten an entire planet. We now enter the heart of our facility, the Cocoa Reactor Core. Here, we harness the power of the dark chocolate side. And now, young one, I sense your destiny lies with this. I present to you a chocolate Death Star of your very own. Take it. Let the sweetness flow through you. Your journey to the dark chocolate side is now complete.